The Dunkey and The Lapdug. There was ance a chiel who had a lapdug and a donkey as weel. The lapdug neither worked nor wanted. The donkey he just took for granted. The lapdug's tricks did his master please. It was gien titbits and sat on his knees. The donkey's days were filled with toil, turning the mill or tilling the soil. The jealous donkey thought to hissel, if I did tricks, I'd get titbits as well. My master'll be a happy chap, when like his wee dug I climb on his lap. The donkey burst in through the door, cavorting and capering o'er the floor. Dancing like an asinine Elvis, he louped on his master and broke his pelvis. To the rescue come the high-heed flunkey, who soundly thrashed that feckless donkey. Back to the stable at a trot, nae mair to grumble about his lot.